6 important facts about the old eastern Nigeria. The gap between the eastern region and other parts of Nigeria was so much that at some point it led to resentment and envy. Once more, this is Njenje Media TV. We are going to give you the 6 facts that we believe many of you didn't know before now. Number 1. Between 1954 and 1964, in a span of 10 years, Eastern Nigeria was described as the fastest growing economy in the world by Harvard Reviews. Then, it was faster than China, Singapore, and the Asian tigers. 2. The Eastern government was the only government in the world that invested 45% of its revenue in education. We repeat, 45%. That was world record. Number 3. The Eastern region had the biggest electricity supply, best hospitals, and the Igbos made up 60% of Nigerian civil service. Number 4. The Eastern Nigeria had the highest number of registered cars in Nigeria as at 1963 by a large margin. Number 5. The number of registered businesses in Nigeria as at 1963 was as follows. In Eastern Nigeria, it was 68,220. In the West, it was 5,776. And in the North, it was 2,407. I believe you didn't know this fact. Lastly, number 6. All the progress the Eastern Nigeria made was destroyed during the Nigerian Biafran War. And since that war, the Eastern Nigeria has not recovered from that. But in today's Nigeria, they are engaging in acts that will bring them back to where they were before the war. Credit, Modernization and Politics Disintegration, Nigeria and the Igbo by Paul Amber. Once more, this is Njenje Media TV. My name is Mike Udenta.